Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. An update for you guys: I've changed my channel name from Noob Rider to Random Rider because there are a lot of channels named Noob Rider. So I was running out of ideas. Since my channel will have a lot of different content other than riding my motorcycle, so I decided I should name it Random Rider because I'll be riding a lot of different things. Stay tuned to see what else. Alright, so as I said before, I'm into mountain biking, kayaking, racing, all sorts of stuff, so stay tuned. Also, today I am going out with my buddies on an early morning ride. It is 7:30 a.m. Pacific. It's a little bit hazy today, a little bit of clouds. The sun will break out later in the day, but it is sort of chilly. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Also, I have ridden this thing, so I have done 452 miles as of yet. My original plan was to do the break-in service, the first service at 600 mark, but I think I'll do it early, like around 500 or 550. I don't know how many miles we'll be covering today. We are going to the Duval area again. I will be changing the oil, doing the inspection, basically the first break-in service this week, and I will guide you through all the steps and tools needed to do it. So stay tuned for that as well. So that neutral situation I was running into in my last video, it was just a new mistake. I talked to the dealership, I talked to the Kawasaki people. They said that if I'm changing gears under 10 miles, it'll automatically shift into neutral. So I'm trying to not shift under 10 miles an hour from first to second. So I'm gonna, the only reason I was doing that because the guy at the dealership said that try not to cross 4,000 RPMs, and sometimes in first gear you need to go beyond that so that you don't hit neutral. So I am revving this thing a little further than 4,500 RPMs, close to 5,000 RPMs now. As I'm getting closer to the break-in service, I am revving this thing a little more. I still need to figure out the oh, look at that, that's beautiful mist. Nice. So I'm still trying to figure out how the traction control work on this thing. A couple of videos back, a couple of rides back, I ran into an issue where, again, a new mistake. I accelerated while I was coming out of a corner. I gave the gas a little too much and I went into a power slide, but luckily the traction control kicked in and saved the slide. The second time I was going in a straight line, so I launched it in first gear and rev it for I revved it like past 5,000 RPM and the traction control kicked in. So I am still on road mode. I haven't played around with different settings. I know there's a sport mode where the traction control is much more lenient, but I don't want to take any chances just yet because it's a brand new bike. I don't want to break anything, or I don't want to lay it down. So I am being a little careful. Look at that orange sun. Ain't that beautiful? So I know I've been rambling about the in-depth review that is coming up this week. It's just final touches. I mean, it's not a whole lot. It's not very detailed. I am trying to keep it under 20-25 minutes and keep it interesting and keep it to the point. I got all the content I need, all the pointers I need for the video, so I'll be putting that out sometime this week. So again, stay tuned for that as well. Also, I am still working my way around the exhaust situation. Like I said previously, I wanted to put out videos with just the exhaust notes. I mean, sometimes you just don't feel like talking, you know. I mean, sometimes you run out of content, sometimes not a whole lot happens, and then you don't have nothing much to talk about, and it just rambles, blah blah blah. So I want to avoid that. And I've also watched a couple of videos, a lot of videos in fact, where the guys are just riding their motorcycle in peace. No commentary, no yapping, no talk, just exhaust, wind noise, road noise, and pure natural sounds. I like that. It is relaxing, and I am gunning for that too. I am testing different mic configurations. I have put one under the pillion seat, but I think there's something wrong with the mic that I'm using. It's just a regular studio lavalier mic without a dead cat on it. I have put a different type of wind filter on it. The problem I'm running into is that at very high level of sound, especially when I'm revving up, or there's a high wind noise or something, I hear these clicking sound, like click 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 click. I think the mic is going past its level. So a lot of guys use the Zoom H1 mic. I will give that a try. And see how that works, because I think it works pretty well, because I've seen videos, I've seen guys using that mic, that recorder, the sound recorder, and it works really well. It also comes with a dead cat, so you don't have to purchase it separately. I mean, I hope it comes with one, but I have to buy it. I mean, I like when things come with extra stuff. I mean, I think everybody likes some extra stuff. I mean, every now and then I would open a box, I'll be surprised. Like, what? Okay, it comes with that too. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, I am back to that same route that I always take. The Paradise Conservation Area. I can't get enough of this. I will be recording the trip with the guys, but I will not be talking to you guys, because I have a Senna, so we'll be communicating back and forth with each other. But I will put some cool music for you guys. I mean, the guys I'm riding with today, they are pretty experienced. My buddy and I are not so much. We still try to take corners at a reasonably slow speed. Because both of our bikes are brand new. The tires are still not sticky enough to handle corners at high speed. And second is our skill level. I mean, you need to make sure that you are absolutely certain that you can take that turn at that speed. I mean, if you feel comfortable, feel confident, only then. But if you're a beginner, I would absolutely recommend that you take it easy on the turns. Very important. I mean, the last thing you need is to lean your bike and get injured. And nobody wants that. I am running a bit late. I was supposed to be there at 7:45. It's 7:42 right now. But I'll be there. Oh wow, look at that Corvette. Is it a Corvette? I think it's a Corvette. Let's pick up some speed. It is chilly too. And my lens is fogging up. I think now is the time to install the pin lock system, the anti-fog system. We got the road to ourselves. Maybe not. Look at that stretch of road. See, this is what I want. Open, clean road, no traffic. And you can only get this at this hour of the day. Oh, it's cold today.